Welcome to Spoken Englishy.
Improve your English with daily conversation practice. If you understand English, but struggle to speak confidently, this video will help you practice real daily conversations. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and try to speak without pausing. Let's begin. Conversation 1. Morning routine. A. Good morning. Did you sleep well? B. Yes, I slept really well. What about you? A. I stayed up late finishing some work. B. You should get enough rest. Conversation 2. Office English. A. Have you completed the report? B. I'm almost done. I'll send it shortly. A. Please review it once. B. Sure, I'll double check everything.
Conversation 3. Restaurant English. A. What would you like to order? B. I'll have a sandwich and coffee. A. Anything else? B. No, that's all. Pause and practice.
Conversation 4. Phone call English. A. Hello, may I speak to Rahul? B. Speaking. Who's this? A. This is Amit from the office. B. How can I help you? Conversation 5. Making plans. A. Are you free this weekend? B. Yes, I don't have any plans. A. Let's watch a movie. B. Sounds great. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for daily English.